If you've been getting my emails and watching my videos for a while, you hear me talk about increased profitability, getting out there and making sales calls, getting more profitable, building a business that's sellable, that's really valuable, so that you can have an exit like I did. One of the things that I don't talk about, and I'm going to talk about today, is something that I do for clients on a regular basis, and it's review and give feedback on their intake calls, right? That first call from help from a customer makes or breaks you. I hear so many of these calls that I cringe over. I'm going to tell you a little bit about it, but if you stop watching right now, if you decide, I'm good, I've had enough, I really want to encourage you to, the next thing you do, download some of your call recordings and listen to them. In the meantime, if you don't know who I am, I work with restoration companies all over the country. I have been since 2009. Started a restoration company from zero, sold it, started an auto glass repair and replacement business from zero, sold it. All I do is coach restoration businesses all over the country. I'm passionate about helping owners to get more profitable, reduce the chaos, work the owner out of day-to-day ops, and also help them build very valuable, sellable businesses. Okay, so back to call recording review. Here's what I find a lot of times. Lack of empathy, a lack of urgency, ending the call without giving the homeowner the sense of, okay, I called the right place, I'm scheduled, I know that somebody's coming out within the next couple of hours, I can cross it off my list, right? What I hear more often is, and you might be saying to yourself, nah, not in my business, Scott. And that's great. You could be one of those businesses that handles intake calls really, really well. And that's great. Download some call recordings and listen for yourself and make sure, just confirm that that's actually happening. Because what you don't want is somebody to hang up and say, you know what? I don't know if they've got me. I'm going to call the next restoration company. If that restoration company says, no problem, we'll be out there within the next 2 hours. Our technician will give you a call when they're about 30 minutes out, just to let you know they're getting close, right? That's the kind of thing that you want the caller to hear. So what do you do about it? My favorite business acronym is LBNT. The LB stands for what did you like best? NT, what will you do differently next time? Download some call recordings. Ask the person that is doing those intakes to listen to themselves and give themselves some feedback using that LBNT framework. And then do the same thing yourself. Have a meeting with them, go over it, compare notes, and you're going to make progress. If you ever want me to review a call for you, I'd be happy to do it. Email me at scott@thegrowthleague.com or book a call with me using the button below, and I'd be happy to talk with you.